My name is Jackson Limakok, head teacher at Chesakam Primary School, and I'm privileged to be here today to attend this training on professional learning community. It is a new experience, and I think when we put it into practice, it will help improve achievements in our schools, especially Chesakam where I head, and maybe get solutions to gaps that we experience in several learning areas. So to IFADI Africa organization, personally and on behalf of the whole school, I am very grateful. And since I joined Chesakam as the head teacher, there are some and a lot of immense support you've been putting to this school. And the success of this school depends also on the support that we have experienced from IFADI Africa. Yes.
Now, from the training, were expectations met?
Expectations were met because I can participate in the training. And as we close the training, the tool is the first item I'll share with my colleagues who remained back at school. Because we are three in this training, we will debunk, we will tell our teachers whatever we acquired from the training, and then strategize on how we will implement the use of PLC in almost all the classes and within the period that we are remained in this term. And I prefer our PLC meetings to be happening almost every 2 weeks, because I see when we meet once in a month, it will be a long time and we may not realize the impact of this tool when it is put into use.
Maybe lastly, what should we expect from you?
Expect success, and I'll be talking of achievements when we meet next or you visit us. Because I know PLC is among the tools we will immediately employ and use in our school, and also the support that will go to the other fields like gardening, co-curricular activities. I know IFADI Africa is also doing this in our school. You will get the results from our learners because we are praying and we are struggling to have holistic learners in our school.
My name is Florence Omariwo, head teacher in Ginyang Primary School. I have taught for the last 22 years. I love my profession. I'm a teacher by a passion. I love it so much. I want to thank the IFADI Africa for this very wonderful workshop. This is our third workshop, teacher empowerment. I was in Taita Taveta, where we went for exchange program with the teachers of Pura Primary School, Pura High School, and teachers from USA. And we had a section for 2 weeks. It was really, really very empowering. I was empowered as a teacher. I went as a science teacher, and I learned a lot of strategies for employing in my teaching. That time we learned that for learning to be successfully and more enjoyable should be a child-centered. And we put it in practice. We let the children do by themselves, and it was really enjoyable, and all our learners were able to learn.